leaders must have character. And that if you are not yet president, and you are not obeying agreement, and Nigerians are talking of national unity, and you disobey the provision of your party constitution, which talks about rotation, in order to service that unity, and you can go to some part of the country and say, don't vote for Igbo, don't vote for Yoruba. Those are very damaging statements. It would be neater to say, don't vote for this person, Obi, don't vote for Tinubu. That is fine. You talk to their persons. But when you talk about race, don't vote for Igbo man. So if he's Igbo, no matter how good, he's a bad man in his eyes. If he's Yoruba, no matter how good, he's a bad man in his eye. At a time when we need national unity, 5 governors have backed out, and you find out how many governors they have. We have 23. Now, if you are 23 with 5, I'm not saying the 5 are with us, but you have 23 with 5, I guess that is 28. You subtract 28 from 36, it means only 8 governors, in fact 7, because the other one in Abga is not there. So why he has 7 governors working for him? We have 23 working for us, and we have 5 who are neutral. So however you look at it, our candidature, our campaign is going smoothly, and the message is very clear.